keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Welcome back, dear students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 3, Subject English, Topic Robotics. Today, in this lesson, we are going to learn about robots, how the robots are made, and what kind of work they can do. That all we are going to discuss today. So, let's start the lesson. A robot is a complex man made machine that can perform many of the tasks that human beings do, and some tasks that are too difficult or dangerous for human beings. Robots are built in such a way that they can perform these tasks automatically when they are started or on command. Robots may be operated by remote control. Complex means made up of many parts. Automatically means on its own without needing a person to operate them. Remote control is a device that allows one to operate a machine from a distance. Operated means worked in a particular manner. A robot usually has three things. It has a built-in computer program. This program is like the robot's brain. Only a robot cannot think on its own like human beings do. It cannot decide whether to do something, whether something is good or bad on its own. We human beings can think, we can take decisions, we know what is good and what is bad. But the robots are made machine, so they have built-in computer program, they follow the instructions and command only. They don't know what is good and what is bad. It can learn and do only what the computer program makes it possible for the robot to learn and do. A robot does not have moods and feelings like human beings do. Like other machines, a robot can do boring tasks again and again and again without getting bored. It can work in dangerous places where human beings cannot go or live. Mood means the way a person is feeling at a particular time. A robot has mechanical parts or a body. These parts enable the robot to move or perform certain actions in certain ways. These parts may have pipes, tubes, cylinders, wheels, and gears joined in a particular way. There may be devices that scoop up or hold things, blow, suck, sweep, etc. These parts are designed to suit the purpose for which the robot is built. Scoop means to pick up something using a spoon like device. A robot also has sensors or devices that inform it about its surroundings. These sensors are like the robot's eyes, ears, nose, skin, etc. Again, these devices are designed and fitted to the robot by experts who design and build the robot. Devices means object or equipment that have been designed to do a particular task. Robots are designed and built by the experts. Sensors means a device that can react to light, heat, pressure, etc. to make a machine do something. Some robots are designed to look like human beings or other living things, or they may be given other suitable shapes. It requires a lot of hard work, skill, and imagination to design and build robots. Would you like to design or build a real robot when you grow up? For that, you will have to study the relevant subjects well and also develop a good imagination. Students, in future, if you want to design a robot, for that you need to do a lot of hard work. You have to study the relevant subjects which is related to the robotics, and even you have to develop a good imagination. Now here some meanings are given. Let's see. Complex means made up of many parts. Operated means worked in a particular manner. Automatically means on its own. Mood, the way a person is feeling at a particular time. Devices, objects or equipments. Relevant means closely related to the topic. Sensors, a device that can react to light, heat, pressure, etc. Now here is small homework for you. I hope you will enjoy this homework. You have to draw a picture of a robot and you have to write a short description of it. Even you can give a name to your robot. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson robotics. Keep learning new things every day. Enjoy your learning.